many problem is our own creation. We forget oneness of humanity.
Samar bochene zamliyo la corso changi the mojani zamling shi de treso
With the Tibet national anthem playing, the Dalai Lama walked onto the stage at the Palace Theatre, where he was greeted by Catholic Bishop Anthony Bosco. For nearly a half hour, the spiritual leader of Tibet talks about peace and compassion.
And your compelling voice of peace and passion. We are pleased to present you with the degree of Doctor of Divinity, Honoris Causa, and welcome you into the company of Florida International University.
Norbu kungininda dalelama Norbu kungininda dalelama
Kati samshi ishi norbu kungininda
What recommendation of the faculty confer upon attendance?
ishi norbu kungininda
Lifelong dedication to teaching world peace and compassion. Cal's the college is proud to bestow upon you the degree of Doctor of Humane Letters.